Hello everyone. Today we're talking about combination skincare, and this is something I can fully relate to because I have combination skin. So this can be tricky because you're looking for something that's hydrating as well as oil absorbing, and hopefully these tips can help you with combating combination skin. So starting off, you should use a cleanser, and using a pH balance cleanser will help to regulate that oil production but also help you with those dry or normal areas that are different from your T-zone or vice versa. Once you're done cleansing your skin, it's important to use a pH balance toner to balance out your skin, and also look for something that's alcohol-free as well as hydrating like hyaluronic acid or peptides. Now it's time for moisturizer, and remember that all skin types require moisturizer. So look for something that's lightweight and non-comedogenic so that you can keep your skin hydrated while keeping the breakouts at bay. Looking for ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid or niacinamide can be helpful. Sometimes no matter what you do, the pimples show up or the oiliness shows up, so you can use a spot treatment on areas that are prone to breakouts or that are excessively oily. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen with a minimum SPF of 30 to protect yourself from UV rays, and remember, with sunscreen, more is always less. Exfoliation is important, especially on those oily areas, so use a gentle exfoliant 1 to 2 times a week to get rid of those dead skin cells and leave your skin clear. Avoid using products with harsh ingredients like alcohol or fragrances that can dry out your skin and actually leave it more irritated. These tips definitely help me balance out my skin, so let me know if these helped you too. Keep watching for more videos. Also, let me know if you want to know more tips on how to treat sensitive skin.